Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to change Ome TV server on iPhone. So guys, when you try to open your Ome TV on your iPhone and you will see any server error or cannot to connect to server, I will help you how can you change your server and how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, open your settings. You need to make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, after going to back, simply you need to check for software update and you need to update your Ome TV from your app store. And guys, after this you need to go back. So guys, now you have to open your settings, scroll it down, and from here you need to click on apps and you need to scroll it down, find your Ome TV. And guys, now after finding it, you need to open it, and guys, you need to allow all the access from here like local network. And guys, after this you need to go back, and now you need to check that your problem has been fixed or not. If still not fixed your problem, then you need to click on general. And guys, after this you need to click on iPhone storage and you need to find your Ome TV. And guys, after this you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall it again, and after this go back. So guys, now after doing all this method, your problem will be fixed. And if still not fix your problem, no need to worry, you have to open your settings again. And guys, you need to click on general, and after this you need to scroll it down, and here you will see the option of VPN and device management. So guys, from here you need to connect any VPN to change your server. So guys, when you have connect any kind of VPN from here, then your server will be changed and you will be able to open or you will be able to use your Ome TV on your iPhone. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.